So it's week 7. I can't really hardly believe it's week 7 already. What we want to do is prepare you for what's coming both this week and next week. You'll see more from me next week about the midterm and what we want you to be thinking about and working on. But this week, what I want to talk about are the midterm evaluations. At the end of this week, your supervisor is going to get a midterm evaluation. And in that, they're going to be asked questions about you and about how you're doing, about your strengths, about your weaknesses. Everything that your supervisor says about you will be shared with you. We also expect your supervisor to share this information with you. What we really would like is for you and your supervisor to sit down and have a midterm conversation. That midterm conversation should be about what are you doing well, what could you be working on, how can you improve, and what should be the focus for the second half of your externship. You are also going to be given a link for a self-assessment, your own evaluation. The self-assessment is about you and how you're doing, but it's also about how things are going for you so far this term. What kind of a job is your supervisor doing as a mentor and supervising you? This information is confidential. It will not be shared with your attorney or judge who is supervising you, because we want you to be honest. There's also a place at that point where you can ask for help if there's anything going on that you think the externship office needs to know. We want to work with you. We want to make sure that this is the very best experience possible. So watch for that link. It should be coming by the end of the week. And your supervisor's evaluation will also be coming to them at the end of the week. You are required to fill out that self-assessment. Your supervisor, however, we know you do not have control over your supervisor, and if they don't do the midterm evaluation, it's not going to affect your grade. So don't freak out about that. Don't worry about that. Also, there are some internet connections that have firewalls that prevent them from responding to a Google form. If you are interning with the federal government, we have found many times they can't access that form. If that's the case, we send them a different kind of a form. So if your supervisor has any difficulty getting that midterm evaluation, please let us know at externs@cooley.edu. Have a great week.